Hello everybody, it's Chris here again, and I'm still in Texas, and we're now at the River Walk. So by the name of it, it's a river that you walk along. And there's a nice man-made reservoir type things. And look, here comes a boat. And that's obviously a touristy boat where it's like a barge.
They were there, that's why they built it in 1868. 2 years later, the 1870 the Germans actually outnumbered the English and Hispanics. And streets are in 3 languages. Across the river from St. Joseph, over here to my right, also built in the World's Fair.
Now apparently this walk goes for 15 miles. I'm obviously not going to walk 15 miles of it. And it's below ground level, so if we look up there, that wall there, up there is where the road level is, and this is now below ground level. Now I'm heading towards the restaurants that are over there, so we'll just walk along here. This is literally just around the corner from the Alamo. I'll leave a piece of information there so you can read that later. And there's an American bin. But as they like to call them in America, a trash can. So your trash goes in there and your recycling goes in there. And there's a nice pretty bit of modern art there, which is in the middle of a roundabout up there. So we'll go under this bridge and then make the way over to these restaurants where I can grab a coffee. It's not quite as warm today as it was yesterday. It's still at about 12-13 degrees, but it was like 20 odd degrees yesterday, so it's nowhere near as warm today, and it's a bit windy. So what they appear to do, there's a river and they built around it. Yeah, look at the ducks. See the ducks over there? And here is a map of the river walk that we're on now. And I think we're in this area here somewhere. And here's another boat coming past, another barge. Oh, and another one over there.
That was a freshman at St. Mary's University, and a senior. I stayed in dorms that look just like that hotel at St. Mary's University. 4 floors underneath.
So now I've got to work out how I'll get over the river. I'm going this way. I'll follow Karen and Becky, they're over there in the distance. There we go. We're all the way in Texas, and we got an Irish passport. I bet you there's not a didn't realise it was just besieged anywhere. But it was established in 1974. That's practically vintage for this country.
Thanks a lot, guys. Also for John Boy Dunn, my friends. Company and Los Captains accept tips for but only for John Boy Dunn. I'm excited.
So this is obviously where you get one of your bars, naturally, if you like to call them. There's an American pigeon. You can tell he's an American pigeon because he's fatter than British pigeons. I think we seem to have found the party area here. This seems to be where all the restaurants and the bars are that are located around the river. Well, what can I do? I don't want to end up walking into the river here. I know I make a great video, but sometimes do some Rosella up there. I'll just it's like a lob flume, isn't it? It's like a larger version of a lob flume that you find in Alton Towers. I've just tripped over there, viewers, so while I'm filming I've just tripped over there trying to climb up these steps. But that was a quick recovery from me there.
I didn't get that on video.
So there we go, that's a quick 10-minute video of walking along the river walk here in San Antonio. And you can see what it's all about, this 15-mile river that they've obviously built up around it. So you've got bars, restaurants, entertainment and stuff like that. So this will be the last video here in San Antonio because we're leaving here now, well, very shortly, and going somewhere else. Haven't decided exactly where we're going yet. We might be going to Louisiana, but I'll let you know. Okay, great talking to you guys. See you later.